Hi, this is Mrs. Z, Library Media Specialist. I'm going to show you how to access Tumblebooks today. Tumblebooks are animated talking picture books which teach kids the joy of reading in a format they love. We will begin at Technology at HMES. Scroll down until you see the Tumblebooks icon. You will click on the icon and it will automatically log you in because you use the Technology at HMES page. If you come in a different way, you may need to use a username and password. Let's take a look at the tabs across the top of the screen. We have Storybooks. So if I click on Storybooks, I have a lot to choose from. I'm going to pick Pink and Golly, Give a Fish a Home. Now on the right hand side, you'll notice there are book details. You can see who the author is, the illustrator, how long the video is, the reading level, the interest level. On the left-hand side, you can see what options you have. You can play the video. You can add to favorites, which is a nice option. If you have stories you really enjoy, you can add to a favorite page. Add to playlist. If you plan on playing back-to-back stories, this is something that's helpful. Quizzes, and then book report. So if I click play video,
As you can see,
said Mr. Fishman,
these are truly remarkable fish. Spectacular.
so with storybooks, they will read to you and they will highlight the words as they go. Let's take a look at read-alongs. Read-alongs give you two options. You can read it to yourself or you can read with the voice on the screen. So if I were to click a bee in your ear, once again, you will notice that we've got the book details on the right. We do have a description as well. And then we have a couple options. We have the read online option, add to favorites, quizzes, lesson plans, which is nice. So some of the books do have lesson plans that are helpful for teachers. And then we have the book report option. If I click read online, I can read this independently, or if I click down here in the bottom left corner, there's an arrow, it will read with me and highlight as we read. So this is a really nice option as well. The eBooks tab will show you ebooks that are available for you to read. So for example, because of Winn-Dixie, if I click on that, it's going to give me a quick overview of the book, gives me the book details. It also has the read online, add to favorites, quizzes, and book report options. If I click read online, it will have chapter 1 ready for me and I can just read that independently. So we have the whole book in ebook format. If I go to graphic novel, a lot of students really enjoy the graphic novels. We have a lot of choices here. I'll just scroll down for a moment so you can see. A lot of students really enjoy Geronimo Stilton, so I'll just take a look at that one. The overview is right here for you, and then on the right-hand side we have the book details. On the left-hand side we have read online, add to favorites, and a book report option. If I click read online and I scroll down, you can see the graphic format that's available to you, which is really nice. You can see it clearly and you can scroll through and read the graphic. Let's see, nonfiction. So within nonfiction, there are a lot of different categories. We've got animals, history, geography, science, biography, lots of options. So if I go back up here and I click on Animals Black and White, once again, you'll see all of the features I've been talking about, the book details, the overview. On the left-hand side, you see play video, add to favorites, add to playlist, quizzes. There are lesson plans. If we click on lesson plans, you'll see their objectives, If I scroll down, it tells me the objective. It says to learn to write riddles. Before reading, it tells me about building background and vocabulary. So lots of really good information for teachers during reading, what you can do with your students after reading. So this is very helpful. We can also go to videos, and we have a lot of National Geographic videos: animals in nature, history, space and technology, biology, geography, earth science. So lots of options here. Social studies. We have language learning. So we have some titles in Spanish and some in French. And then at the end here we have puzzles and games. So this is a really great resource, and if you want to search for a specific title, you can come to the Tumble search, and it gives you a couple of different ways that you can search. You can do it by title, by author, subject, language, how much time, genre, level. So that is also useful as well. I hope that you enjoy this online resource that we have here at Haymarket.